Hey guys, I'm just gonna set up how to create a domain name in um, Amazon Web Services. Pretty easy. So first, you guys sign into AWS. Uh, Once you're in the console here, go to Route 53. Get started. Register a domain. I'm just gonna say AWS.com. It's there. Select it. Save the checkout. Put in your contact info. Put in your infos. And then should be good to go. It's that easy. That simple. Look out for an email. I think I got it. Hey guys.